Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing what Depop needs to accept tracking, verify your seller account, and confirm your shipping address. Once done, choose a carrier and either create a carrier account or plan to buy single labels. Make sure Depop's shipping label option is enabled in settings. If you'll manually add tracking, have the tracking number ready. These steps let you move straight into creating the order and attaching the tracking without delays, so do them now. Now add the actual tracking. Buy or print a label that provides a tracking ID and retain that number. In the Depop app, open the sale, tap Mark as Shipped, then choose Add Tracking. Select the correct carrier from Depop's dropdown and paste the tracking ID exactly as provided. Mismatches cause errors. Confirm the entry and send the automated notification to the buyer. This links delivery updates to the order and protects you with proof of shipment. Finish by monitoring the carrier's tracking until it shows delivered, and leave status alone otherwise. If the tracking doesn't update or returns an error, contact the carrier immediately to clarify, then message the buyer on Depop with your findings and next steps. Make sure to save screenshots, timestamps, and label receipts in case of a dispute. This chain of actions preserves buyer trust and gives you documentation if Depop or payment processors get involved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.